husband recently passed away and my roof was leaking on the inside along with several other things. My house is just broken. And I called 3 companies and Guardian Roofing was the only one who responded, and customer service got back with me and set up an appointment. I did receive the estimate. I was very satisfied and we set a date and had the roof replaced. About a month after the roof was replaced, the soffits started falling off the house, and I called the customer service line. They were very helpful. We immediately got another date set up. The soffits were repaired, the rain gutters were repaired, the roof is beautiful. I'm very pleased with Guardian Roofing's customer service. I would highly recommend Guardian Roofing to all my family and friends.